Ingco automatic wire stripper, cutting crimper 8¼ inch. Voltage detection cutter, 4 aluminum copper wires. 4-in-1 wire stripping cutter wire. Specification model HWSP102429. Size 8¼ inch, 210 millimeters. Non-contact voltage detection. Stripping wires range 1 OAWG to 4 AWG 0.226 millimeters crimping. Function: crimp the insulated terminals. 0.5 to 6 millimeters 20 to 1 OAWG. Crimp the non-insulated terminals. 0.5 to 6 millimeters 20 for 1 OAWG. Crimp the ignition terminals. 7 to 8 millimeters. Features: durable and comfortable handle. For stripping, cutting and crimping, cutting function copper and aluminum wires. Intelligent voltage detecting stripper. A wire stripper is a small handheld tool that is used to remove the insulation from electric wires. These portable handheld tools are extremely popular among electricians and even dyers for removing the insulation in order to replace or repair the wire.